In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kubetorch to deploy the latest open source model from OpenAI for inference. The first thing that I have to do is to set up my inference class and to decorate it with a KT compute decorator. So you can see the class that I actually have here has some simple methods to load the model using auto model, and then a generate method which just takes the tokenizer chat template and then calls generator and then decodes it, prints it, returns it. Up here, I set up an image for my inference class. I use the base Python CUDA image. Then I will install torch, transformers, accelerate, and kernels onto it. Because I'm actually running this on A100s, I can't use the MXFP4 quantization, so I can leave out these installs. But if you were to use H100 for inference, then you could uncomment these. I decorate my class with 8 GPUs, specify the image that I have, name the service that I'm going to launch, and then I can pass my Hugging Face secrets through to it. There's also kt.autoscale as APIs for use if you want to scale to 0, if you want to do auto scaling based on max concurrency. But we have other examples that show these features. And then all I have to do to deploy this class with this base image to Kubernetes is to call kt-deploy, and this is the name of my file. The first time I deploy, I might need to launch pods, especially if you're auto-scaling up your cluster. Once you launch it for the first time, it will be extremely quick, and all changes will be hot synced to the existing service, and that will reload. Because I'm lazy loading my model, when I call this code down here, which just uses OpenAI OSS inference, that's the name of my class, it'll take a second to reload the model, but otherwise it will take almost no time at all to redeploy. This is generationally better than having to go through CI and rebuild your Docker image in order to go and test some change to my code if you add some kind of debug code or you change something about the chat template. In this iteration loop, all you have to do is take about 2 seconds to rerun it, and then I can go Python OpenAI. And this is going to go ahead and make the API call to my service on Kubernetes. And anywhere that you import this class will actually go and make that call on the remote service instead of locally. You can see that because I reran image setup, it's reloading it, and it's going to re-import the model, which will take a second to bring it to GPU memory, but then my result should come back. And the result came back. Jump forward a couple seconds, but you can see the blue is the print that we did on the remote service, and the white is what I'm printing out on the response. If I go ahead and want to use this in a different service, I could import this class, as I said, or we could call against it using a regular HTTP call against the service from within my VPC.